I think so. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Somnath. How are you doing?
I'm also fine and fantastic. Thanks for asking. Please, you are?
I am also good and I am also doing great. I am enjoying sunny weather today and it is not quite hot but moderate. So I am enjoying weather in Agra. I am Ritu Pathak and I am calling you from Agra. So nice to meet you. All right. So
So we are meet.
Somnath, tell me something about you.
Yes, sure. Why not? Of course. So first of all, thank you so much giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. This is Somnath Kisko. I am from West Bengal, India. I have done graduation, now running my master degree second year, political science, and total my family member 5. And nowadays, actually, if I talk about my hobbies are reading, writing, speaking, listening, swimming, dancing, and new thing learning. And nowadays running my both YouTube channel, Santali Media and English video. Regular try one video, upload my channel. So this is
Nice.
my brief introduction.
Hmm. Very nice. So you are doing a lot. And how do you manage doing such, so many things in one day? How do you manage? Actually, I want to ask you. I want to get some tips from you.
Yes. So first of all, thanks for asking. Actually, I believe that nowadays any field achievement very important. Yeah, multi work. I loved actually. I loved all time. Okay,
Mhm.
and
I
upcoming
think
generation.
you, pardon?
Yes. Upcoming generation, I think this type multi knowledge, yeah, gain, achieve. I believe that very important. Yeah,
Not
important.
sensitive? Not sensitive?
Okay.
All right. You said this word now because I think that you love this word. Sensitive. We have, we all have a particular set of words which we all love to use. My favorite words are ecstatic, excitement, thrilled, confidence, success, and I think your favorite words, one I got, sensitive. What is your another favorite word?
Many times I forget. So, ma'am, please introduce yourself. Okay.
All right. So, thank you, Kisku, for giving me this diamond opportunity because every time everybody uses golden opportunity, I am using diamond opportunity to connect with you. I am Ritu Pathak and I am calling you from Agra. I think that you must have heard the name of the Taj Mahal.
Yes. No.
Yes, no, no. Yes or no?
Yes.
All right. So, tell me something about you. Do you love to read books? And if you love to read books, then what kind of books do you love?
Actually, all types I love biography type. Many types, many
Okay,
author.
biography. So, have you ever read any biography so far?
Yes, but nowadays study just I can say that focus. Okay, why not? Nowadays
I
second year.
can understand. I can understand you have to study a lot because you told me that you are pursuing your master's degree in political science, right?
Yes.
It's such a lengthy subject and it needs a lot of time. Exactly.
Yeah.
So, when are you having your exams? In which month?
I think March. Yeah.
So
2020.
exams are around the corner and you are making videos? Okay,
I
this is your learning practice,
I
isn't
love
it?
create video.
Yeah. So this is your hobby, I think so.
Yes. So, ma'am, please tell me why are you learning this language and the speaking journey? Please explain me.
Okay, I'm not speaking language. I'm an English teacher and
Yes.
I am a mentor, I'm a communicator and public speaker also. And
Yes.
I have been in this field. I'm teaching students around the world and I'm in this field for the last 35 years. So basically, I'm not learning. I love to connect with my co-learners to practice this language. That is all about me.
Great. Nice.
Is there any question for me?
So, please explain me, ma'am. Nowadays, Learning English, I can say that grammar important, yeah, no. Basic.
How can you say that grammar is not important? Just tell me that. Okay, just tell me. I just ask you a counter question. Do you love to eat food?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then can you cook food without vegetables and flour?
No, no.
Simply. We can't learn English without grammar. That is a different question, that how much grammar is important. The percentage may vary from person to person. See, tenses are important, sentence structures are important. And these are the basics, these are the foundation of any language. So, once you master some grammar rules, not all the grammatical rules, and then you can incorporate them in your spoken communication. It will be a cherry on the top, and it will also help you to speak fluently and accurately. So, do you agree with me?
Yes, yes, I agree with.
Any other question?
Yes, yes. I nowadays just listening, speaking, and practice use and basic grammar rule nowadays.
So that is correct. That is nothing is wrong in that. If you are using basic grammar rules, that's good going. So what's the problem? Where is the problem then?
No problem. But person to person opinion, I think very different. Yeah, many times.
Yeah. See, sentence structure is important. Subject verb agreement is important. Understanding of tenses is important. And if somebody says that is not important, I want to ask on this platform, please give me the answer why it is not important. I want to know. I'm so curious to know that why grammar is not important in learning this language.
But I believe that any field achieve consistency and regular practice. Not English, yeah, not language.
Okay, that is a, Somna, that is a debatable question. That is a question where you have various views and perspectives and opinions, claims. So I don't want to get into this heated argument. My point is always be that grammar is 101% important, but how much grammar portion is important, that depends, that whether you are a student. See, if you are a student and you have to write on an English paper, then grammar is 100% important. As far as the matter of spoken English is concerned, or right, we are speaking, but we are making a lot of mistakes, so we are not speaking up English accurately. But for fluency, I can understand that not every time grammar is important. But if we say that grammar is not at all important, that I can't swallow. That is a hard pill to swallow. I can say that I'm not into this debate, but I will always support the importance of grammar, not being a teacher, but because I know that grammar is 101% important. Right?
Yes, yes.
So, okay, Somnath, can we wind up this session?
Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Have a great day.
Nice to meet you too. Did you like this session?
Okay. Yes. Really nice.
All right. Very nice. Okay. So, bye bye. Keep
Okay, bye.
learning, keep thriving, and I hope all good wishes for your channel. So, bye
Okay.
bye. Take care. Bye
Thank
bye. Bye bye.